Yo, what's going on, guys? Onyx here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. My first sponsor pack from Ascetic Fingerboards. Super hyped on that. Shout out to Chris over at Ascetic for giving me an opportunity to ride for the team. Um, really didn't expect to be sponsored. I got back into fingerboarding back in August last year, so 6 months ago, and I had no plans of being sponsored. I didn't think that it would happen, and I came across this company, Ascetic Fingerboards. It's my first board I ever got from Chris, and I fell in love with it. It's a 29 millimeter, my first 29 millimeter. He makes really great boards, and super hyped to be a part of the team. Looking forward to what this year holds as an Ascetic team member. Shout out to Mint, shout out to JR, and shout out to Not Internet Famous, the other members of the team. Um, so yeah, big things coming for this year. So he actually has a drop coming up, February 20th to be exact. Ascetic's first graphic drop. So definitely stay tuned for that and pick up a board. They're really great quality and you can't go wrong. So let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so we got a paper bubble mailer. Gotta love these. Really easy to open, just a simple rip. No scissors needed. Alright, got this thing packed nicely, nice and protected. Gotta love it. Let's get this thing open. And right on top, we got this crazy exotic ply. Apparently this is a blem, the high mold, 26 millimeter. Ooh, got one of the newer graphics. Dropping on the 20th. I think this one might be an extra because I only asked for low molds. So I really appreciate that. Next up, we got this nice natural maple bottom ply with the Ascetic ferret logo. Definitely one of my favorite logos of his. And we got another 26 millimeter low mold natural maple bottom ply. Same ferret logo. Last but not least, we got this beautiful purple dyed ply, 26 millimeter low mold. I'll definitely be setting this one up first. But first, let's get a closer look at these boards. Here's that high mold exotic top ply with the sick neographic. Right now, let's check out this purple low mold. Gotta love the keychains. Still got my first one up, so this one will be added to the collection. So along with the new graphic drop is the first ever sticker sheet as well, made by Zegheads. So yeah, really sick sheet. So let's check this low mold out. It's my first time trying the low mold. Looks really good so far. It's kind of what I've been writing lately. Alright, so here's the low mold compared to the high mold. Low mold on top, high on the bottom. See the difference? Right now we're going to open one of these natural maple low molds, just so we can see the top ply. Nice. So we got an exotic top ply on these. Also, all boards purchased on the drop will come with year tape. Alright, so here we go. We're going to be setting this board up with year tape, some dynamics with green base plates, green apathy bushings, and some abstract wheels. And here we are. Setup turned out really sick. First time trying abstract wheels, so I'll see how they are. Squeak test. Not bad. First time trying apathy bushings as well. Okay, so the board feels amazing. Bushings are great. Wheels are great. And the deck is amazing. Shout out to Ascetic again, and make sure you guys check out that drop February 20th. Peace.